Hi, folks. Got a problem. Got a Kindle. Love my Kindle, but it's got a problem. It's all frozen. I can't do anything to it. Can't read a book. Can't move around. Can't do anything. So, how are we going to fix this? Well, there is a button on the bottom of it, and this is the power button. And what we're going to do is we're going to hold this power button for 30 or 40 seconds, and let's see what happens. Like it's starting to do something. There we go. Okay, so now it's rebooting. So let's see if it comes all the way back up. Yeah, so now it's uploading its latest stuff, I guess. And my Kindle seems to be working again. So there we go. I'm all back. Let's see if I can open up a book. And look at that. I got the book open. So now my Kindle's working again. And it's all because I pressed my power button and held it for, I don't know, maybe 30 seconds or something like that. So if you have a Kindle that's frozen, give this a try. I hope it helps.